Whoa. Before we start, if today's vlog and all of the other vlogs prior sounds like the camera's microphone, then don't worry, because I was a little short on money, so I had to go for the Røde VideoMic Go, which costs $100 instead of the Røde VideoMic Pro, that's $200. Now, I wanted the Zoom H4n, but that's $160. It's just a little bit too expensive for a recorder. So then I opted for the Tascam DR70, but that was a little too expensive too at $140. So I had to stick with the VideoMic Go at $100 because that's all I had. All right, back to the vlog. Whoop, it's here. So remember the beginning of the vlog where I said I'd be getting the new VideoMic Go? Well, it came in like 10 seconds. You gotta love Amazon and their fast shipping. So the reason I got this microphone was because it doesn't require any batteries. Come on, get it. Why will this not cut? There we go. Okay. Ooh. The windsock is backwards. There we go. So, oops, what did... This is the cable that goes from the microphone to the camera. And then... Oh, this is the manual. In Chinese, Mexican, and... I don't need that. That was easy. It's really light. And it has an integrated, wait, where's the box? It has an integrated Røde lyre suspension system. So I guess that gets rid of all the jitters in your audio. And this comes off way too easily. So this is how the audio sounds before. And this is how the mic sounds afterwards. Is it any better? It sounds like there's a little more hiss in this microphone than in the VideoMic Pro, but I think that's something to fix in post. The only thing that's missing is a DeadCat. Okay, here's the thing. I don't really have enough money to pay $30 for an actual Røde DeadCat, and I think it's pretty ridiculous that they make you pay $30 for a piece of fur and fabric. So I'm gonna go to Michael's right now because I have a 50% off coupon for Michael's. And I'm gonna get a piece of fur and fabric and make my own DIY DeadCat. So I'm walking into Michael's right now, looking here to try to get a DIY DeadCat for my microphone. So here we go. Oh, here we go. Okay. So we've got black, zebra, or white, or that weird color. Which one should I get? For $3. I think I'll get the black.
Alright, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. Yeah. YouTube?
This is for YouTube, yes.
Yeah, beautiful.
Trying to be.
Yeah. Very good.
Thank you very much. I'll make sure to put you in my vlog.
Yeah.
Just saw my dad way over there. I got this piece of cloth for $1.62. What a coinky dink. We just ran into each other here.
Yeah.
What a small world.
I'm his cool dad.
Yeah.
I need my money back.
You need your money back.
Yeah, because give me my money.
I'm gonna do this so that it doesn't look illegal. All right, well, it If you hear this wind noise, I'm sorry. That will be fixed momentarily because I just got this. I'm on my way home now and this camera is getting really heavy. Here we go. I just switched hands. Now it's going to be a lot more stable. All right, I'm going home now. Okay, don't judge my messy room because I'm still packing. Okay, I'm lazy right now and I only do stuff 50% anyway. So I'm just gonna rubber band this to the microphone and I'm not gonna sew it. That said, I'm gonna use rubber bands instead of, no, not rubber bands. I'm gonna use hair bands because hair bands won't pull and tug at the fur and rip it off of whatever this part of the fabric is. So use hair bands, not rubber bands. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is, whoops, I'm just gonna take the Røde windsock off and I'm gonna wrap it around the sock like so. And we're gonna snip the excess off. So once you have your excess fur cut off, we're just going to wrap it around again. And then from there, we put these rubber bands on it from keeping it from falling off. And then that's perfect. I'm gonna modify this a little bit more. Instead of using this pink faded red rubber band and this striped rubber band, or hair band, I'm just gonna paint it black so that way it looks more discreet. One thing I forgot to mention about the rubber bands was last time when I put the rubber bands on, you see that I Sharpied the rubber bands there, but I just left all the rubber bands there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all of the furs and all of the furs from under the rubber band. There we go. And notice I have the one pink part on the very bottom level with the hot shoe so that nobody would see it. So after you've pulled out all of your hairs, what you're going to want to do is just lay the hairs on top of the rubber band so that way you can't see the rubber band at all. And in fact, I'm going to do the same thing to the furs under the pink part and just lay them over the hairband. And after that, you're completely finished making your DIY dead cat. I think this dead cat turned out perfect. See the discreet black? I bet you didn't even know that rubber band was there.